नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर स्टार्ट करणार आहे ट्रिग्नॉमेट्री. त्याला ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रीमधला बेसिक कन्सेप्ट अगोदर समजून घ्यावं लागेल. असं लक्षात ठेवा, ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रीचे चॅप्टर आहे नेक्स्ट. फॉर अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल, फॉर एनी राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल, समजा एका हा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आपण कन्सिडर केला आहे. हिअर दिस अँगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. लेट अस कन्सिडर ए बी सी इज द ट्रायंगल and right angle triangle, and this is angle theta. Now for this right angle triangle, A to C or AC, or line AC is our hypotenuse, then we have to measure the number of sine terms like this, or trigonometric term. Sin theta is equals to, formula is opposite side upon hypotenuse, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now हिअर अपोजिट साईड ऑफ थिटा, आपल्याला काय करायचं, थिटाच्या अपोजिटचं साईड बघायचं. थिटाच्या अपोजिटचं साईड म्हणजे काय येतं, ए बी, आणि हायपोटेनियस मीन्स ए सी, मीन्स ए बी अपॉन ए सी. नाव फॉर्म्युला फॉर कॉस थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू ॲडजस्टंट साईड अपॉन हायपोटेनियस, नाव ॲडजस्टंट साईड ऑफ थिटाचं ॲडजस्टंट साईड म्हणजे लगतची बाजू इज बी सी. Therefore it is BC upon hypotenuse म्हणजेच काय, AC. Hypotenuse means our AC. AC is our hypotenuse. Now next term is tan theta. After this, tan theta is equals to, you have to remember that tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side, or opposite side upon adjacent side, or opposite side AB or adjacent side is BC, or it has another formula, that is sin theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta. हे झालं टर्म. एकदा जर समजा हे आलं की इथून पुढे काय लक्षात ठेवायचं, sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta, cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta, and cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta. These are the three terms. After that, next is trigonometric ratio of any angle. Now how to find trigonometric ratio of any angle? For finding trigonometric ratio of any angle, कसं फाइंड आउट करायचं बघा, लक्ष द्या. एनी अँगल, ह्याच्यासाठी लेट अस ड्रॉ वन सर्कल विथ रेडियस r, and that is consider this angle A O B is making an angle theta. Now in this OB is or consider this point is P, and now O to P is our radius. Then draw perpendicular. इथून काय करायचं, एक perpendicular काढायचं आहे, perpendicular on line OM. Therefore such that, see here, measurement of an angle AOB is equals to theta, and line PM is perpendicular to OA. PM is perpendicular to OA. Then consider this OM is distance x, and this is our distance y. Now what we can write down here, sin theta is our opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side of theta, thetaच्या opposite side काय येतं आहे, y येतं आहे, and hypotenuse is our r. Therefore we can write y upon r. And similarly cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is our x upon r. Therefore once you get sin theta and cos theta, now as we know that this is fundamental identity, that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to what comes here, y square by r square, means sin square म्हणजे ह्या दो ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर, y चा स्क्वेअर y स्क्वेअर, r चा स्क्वेअर r स्क्वेअर. नाव प्लस x चा स्क्वेअर काय येणार इथं, x स्क्वेअर बाय r स्क्वेअर. नाव ॲज डिनॉमिनेटर ऑफ बोथ द टर्म इज सेम, and here sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but our 1. Therefore we can write that x square plus y square upon r square, and this r square comes to the left side. Therefore x square plus y square is equals to r square, and finally we can write that r is equals to under root x square plus y square, where r is our radius, and x is equal to distance, x is equals to distance in x direction and y is equals to distance in y direction. Now same here we can conclude that x is equals to, when multiply by r, then we can conclude that x is equals to r cos theta. Now when this r multiply here, we can write that y is equals to r sin theta. Y is equals to r sin theta, and here x is equals to r cos theta. After that, the signs in quadrant or sign of trigonometric ratios. This is important term. Sign of trigonometric ratios. Sign of trigonometric ratios. Now this is important. Sign of trigonometric ratio. This is important in quadrant. Now actually for any plane there has for any plane there are 4 quadrants. This is our first quadrant. After that, this is our second quadrant. For any graph there are 4 quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, after that third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. Now all of these quadrant in this all quadrant, now trigonometric ratios changes its sign. Like in first quadrant you have to remember that all terms are positive. All term म्हणजे काय काय येणार याच्यामध्ये, साइन पॉझिटिव्ह, कॉस पॉझिटिव्ह, टॅन पॉझिटिव्ह, सगळेच पॉझिटिव्ह. हियर ऑल टर्म्स. आफ्टर दॅट इन सेकंड टर्म ओनली साइन थिटा इज पॉझिटिव्ह. Therefore remaining terms are negative. Only sin theta is positive. Here only tan theta is positive, and here cos theta is positive. Now for remembering, you have to remember this one line: all student taking coffee. It means that in first quadrant all terms are positive. In second quadrant, from S you have to remember that only sin term is positive. In third quadrant, from T only tan term is positive, and in fourth quadrant from C cos theta is positive or cos term is positive. Now once again remember that in first quadrant all terms are positive, in second quadrant sin is positive, in third quadrant tan is positive, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive. Now after that, now trigonometric ratios. Remember this trigonometric ratios. हे trigonometric ratios कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं? For this you have to remember that here angles, write like this, angle, and here trigonometric ratio. Angles are like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. After this you have to write in terms of pi. पायच्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये कसं लिहायचं बघा. आता इथं 0 डिग्री, तर 0 डिग्री म्हणजे 0च असणार आहे. 30 डिग्री म्हणजे काय करायचं, आता पायच्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये लिहिताना 180 लिहायचं अगोदर. पाय इज आवर नथिंग बट पाय इज इक्वल्स टू 180. इन टर्म्स ऑफ 180 इज इन डिग्री, पाय इज इन रॅडियन. आता 30 डिग्री असेल तर काय करायचं, 180 अपॉन 30 करायचं. किती येतं, 36 जा 180. तर इथं काय करायचं, आपण पाय बाय 6 लिहायचं. आता बघा 45 डिग्री, तर काय करायचं, 180 upon 45. 45 4 is 180. Therefore we can write here like pi by 4. For 60 degree you have to divide 180 by 60. Answer is 3. Therefore we can write it like as a pi by 3. For 90 degree, 180 by 90, it is equals to 2. Then you can write pi by 2. After this, now how to find these values or how to remember these values? See here, initially for 0 degree write here 0. After that write here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide each term by 4. प्रत्येक टर्मला 4 ने डिवाइड करायचं. आफ्टर दॅट ब्रिंग ऑल द टर्म इन द रूट. हे सगळ्या टर्मला रूटमध्ये घालायचं आपल्याला. or give root to the all the term. Therefore our next answer will be 0 upon any number 0 and root of 0 is equals to 0. 1 by 4, root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4. Root of 1 is 1 and root of 2 is root 2. Here root of 3 is root 3 and root of 4 is 2. 4 by 4 means it is 1, root of 1 is 1, and here we can write sin theta. It is our sin theta. After getting sin we have to write for cos theta. cos theta साठी काय करायचं आहे, एकदा हे जर आलं तर हे फक्त उलटे व्हॅल्यूज द्यायचे रिव्हर्स डायरेक्शनमध्ये. 1 रूट 3 बाय 2, 1 बाय रूट 2, 1 बाय 2, 0. आफ्टर दॅट टॅन थिटा. टॅन थिटा म्हणजे काय, साइन अपॉन कॉस. बघा 0 अपॉन 1 0, 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 केले की दिस 2 get cancel. What will be our remaining term? 1 by root 3. Here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 get cancel, therefore 1. Here 2 get cancel, root 3, and 1 upon 0 is nothing but our infinity. After tan theta you have to write for cot theta. For cot theta write the all terms in reverse direction. Theta, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. After that, after cot theta you have to write for sec theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. 1 by 1 means 1. 1 upon root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. After this 2 by root 3, 1 upon 1 by root 2 means only root 2. Here 2 by 1, and finally 1 upon 0 means again infinity. And last term for cosec theta, write this value in reverse direction. Initial infinity, after that 2, after that root 2, after that 2 by root 3, and finally 1. These are the ratios.